Welcome back to the channel, my dear friends. The markets are finally starting to breathe again. And while many people out there are just gambling and blowing their deposits on shady platforms, real traders are always on the lookout for new, reliable tools for their investments. Today, I want to introduce you to a platform that really caught my eye with its professional approach and simplicity. We are talking about Margex. This is a boutique derivatives exchange that has been around since 2019, and over the years, they have truly proven their stability and loyalty to their users. So, what exactly is Margex and why is it interesting? In short, Margex is an exchange built by traders, for traders. They do not try to clutter the interface with useless tools. Instead, they focus on what actually matters: speed, liquidity, and of course, security. Why is it worth paying attention to right now? First of all, you get access to leverage up to 100x on all trading pairs. This is a massive opportunity for those who understand how leverage works and want to maximize their profits even with a small deposit. Secondly, you can start trading here with as little as $10, making professional trading accessible to everyone. One of the biggest issues on many exchanges is price manipulation. You have probably seen those scary wicks on the charts that hunt your stop losses. Well, Margex has a unique solution for this: the MP Shield technology. It is an AI-based system that protects users from price manipulation and abnormal spikes by aggregating data from over 12 liquidity providers. This gives you peace of mind that your trade won't get wiped out just because someone tried to dump the market. Another huge plus is how they handle collateral. On Margex, you can use your assets like BTC, ETH, USDT, or even USDC as collateral for your trades without needing to convert them. This saves you a ton of time and money on swap fees. If you are not ready to trade on your own yet, or if you just want to diversify your portfolio, Margex offers some great passive income tools. First is staking. You can earn up to 25% APY on your assets with flexible terms. That is significantly higher than what most traditional platforms offer. Second is copy trading. You can simply follow professional traders. Just pick a strategy from the top performers list, hit copy, and start earning just like the pros. For the most exciting part, we are launching the Margex trading competition, and this is something you don't want to miss. The contest is live right now and runs until January 25th. What's unique here is that the prize pool is dynamic. It starts at $1,000, but for every $1 million in total trading volume from our community, another $100 is added to the pot. So, the more we trade together, the bigger the rewards for everyone. The prize distribution is very fair. The top 10 traders by volume will share 80% of the total pool. For example, the first place gets a massive 25%. But even if you aren't a whale, you still have a chance. 10 lucky traders who make at least one trade will be chosen randomly to share the remaining 20% of the prize pool. To join the race, just follow the link in the description, deposit at least $10, and start trading. And to give you an extra edge, use my promo code LADYTV when you fund your account. It gives you a pleasant 20% deposit bonus, which increases your trading power and helps you generate more volume to climb that leaderboard. It's a win-win. You can track the prize pool growth and your ranking in real time on the dashboard I've linked below. Now, let's jump into the terminal. As you can see, the Margex interface is very clean and intuitive. There is no noise to distract you from your analysis. On the left, we have the trading pairs. In the center, the chart with all the tools. And on the right, the order panel. Here, you can choose your margin type, isolated or cross, set your leverage, and immediately see your potential P&L and fees. And what's especially cool is that the liquidity here is very deep, which means your orders are executed instantly without any nasty slippage, even on larger volumes. Everything is completely transparent. By the way, for those who like to trade on the go, Margex has full-featured mobile apps for both iOS and Android. The entire desktop experience is now right in your pocket. To wrap things up, Margex is an excellent platform for anyone looking for a high-quality tool for margin trading without the headache. High leverage, protection against manipulation, and great starting bonuses make this exchange one of the most attractive options in the current market. Don't forget, all the links for registration, the contest, and my promo code are in the description below. Check it out, try it for yourself, and share your results in the comments. That is it for my review, guys. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our future breakdowns of great projects. Thanks for sticking with me. I wish you all profitable trades, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.